Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. We are going to make a card for my friend Laura. Remember, we're celebrating women all month, and actually, we're going to roll this on over into May with a fun class I'm going to be doing, partnering with my friend. So keep an eye out for that. I'll announce it on May 1st. But for today, we're going to talk about Laura, aka Nana. That's right, Nana. Laura is my best friend in the whole world that is not related to me. Let's put it that way. She is absolutely, hands down, been one of my biggest supporters. Always there to help me laugh and smile. We have the best time together. FYI, I'm using stitched rectangles here. I'm using some Bright's designer series paper, which is retiring. Several of the products I'm using today are retiring. This awesome flamingo stamp set is retiring. I've just stamped it off once to give it a little bit lighter undertone. And then I'm stamping on again with Flirty Flamingo. And then I'm going to layer all the pieces with Flirty Flamingo. I'm using Coastal Cabana ink at the bottom for some water and lemon lime twist at the top for some leaves and greenery. And yeah, you're just going to watch me put this together while we talk, right? Because we need to have some story time. Okay, so funny story. I have endless funny stories about Laura, or about our adventures together. We have a lot of adventures. And I can't, I only have so much time, so I'm just going to tell you one of the more recent ones. It was a while back, but it was more recent. So Laura is quite a bit taller than me. I think she's like 5'9", maybe 5'10". She's tall, and I'm 5'2", 5'3", okay? So we went to this concert together. It was a Bryan concert. She is my concert buddy. We go to concerts together, country concerts, and we always have a great time. We decided we were going to go to this Bryan concert, and we got grass seats, like where you can sit in the lawn seats, and quickly discovered after this concert that we are now too old for this. So it went okay. The concert was going okay until Bryan came on. And then, I'm sorry, all hell broke loose. Sorry for the language, but there's no other way to say this. These people went crazy, and I got pushed down 2 times. I'm not kidding. Like, literally people running into me. Everybody was drunk around us, which Laura and I are not huge drinkers. Like a glass of wine at a concert's good enough for me. And so, we were standing there, and I was getting pummeled, basically. Like a little rag in a washing machine. And Laura's tall, and so she was not having the same problems I was having, but it just kept getting increasingly worse. People were spilling things on us. At one point, Laura turned around and gave dagger eyes to some people and made some comments to them. It was getting pretty hairy. So she was like, I was thinking in my head, and this is why we are best friends. I was thinking in my head, I just want to leave. The guy had only sang 4 songs, and we had already seen Little Big Town, which is who she really wanted to see. And I was thinking in my head, I am not even enjoying this. I just want to leave. All of a sudden, Laura turns and looks at me and says, do you just want to leave? And I was like, thank God. Yes, I just want to leave. I just want to get out of here. Please don't make us stay here any longer. So she was like, thank God, me too. So she grabbed me by the arm like a 2-year-old, because this crowd is crazy. FYI, on the other card, I hand cut out the flamingo, and the flamingo's on top of the ribbon. So there's an option for you. You could do either one. So she grabs me by the arm, and she's like, we're out of here. And so she basically pulls me through this crowd of people, saving my life, because I'm sure I would have been trampled on. It was crazy. I'm like, this is a country concert. I do not understand. So we decided after that concert, we are officially too old to do lawn seats. That's it. No more of that. No more lawn seat shenanigans. We will be spending the extra money and sitting our hind ends in a real seat, because that was dumb. it was so dumb. So that's just one of our many little stories we have together, of things we've done and experiences we've had. We really do have the best time. There's never any drama, and it's always easy, and that's the best kind of friend. So I love you, Laura. You'll never see this video, but I love you. I made her this card because we had a super fun day out together, and I wanted to send her a thank you card. Okay, so if you want to see either one of the videos here, click on those. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe. Shop at shoploveandstampin.com, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll see you again next time. Talk to you later.